Blood pressure medication costs Americans $50 billion a year, but your doctor may never tell you this.
I'm going to show you 5 Indian foods that cardiologists actually recommend. Foods your grandma probably already knew about. These are real ingredients, most under $5, available at any Indian grocery store or even Amazon. No supplements, just food. Stay till number 5. It's probably already in your fridge right now and most people completely ignore it. Let's go. Number 1. Garlic, called Lehsun in Urdu and Hindi. One compound in it, called allicin, can drop your blood pressure by up to 8 points. Garlic literally tells your blood vessels to relax and open up. And fresh garlic beats garlic powder every single time. Don't skip this step. Easy hack, crush 2 cloves, let them sit 10 minutes to activate the allicin, then cook straight into your dal or stir fry. That's literally it. Number 2. Pomegranate, Anar. 1 glass a day was shown in clinical studies to lower blood pressure by 5% in just 2 weeks. Grab fresh Anar at any South Asian grocery or just get Pom Wonderful, 100% juice, no added sugar at Walmart or Target. Both work perfectly. Okay, wait, I have to say this. My daddy used to force me to eat Anar every single day. I thought it was old-fashioned. She was 100% right. Anyway, 3 more. Number 3, spinach, Palak. You already know this one. It's packed with potassium and magnesium. Your body uses these to literally flush excess sodium out. 2 big handfuls daily. Smoothie, palak dal, or just saute with garlic and olive oil. Frozen spinach counts too. Trader Joe's, Costco, grab a bag, you're set. Number 4, beets, Chukandar. This is the one people sleep on. Your body converts the nitrates in beets directly into nitric oxide, which opens your blood vessels within 3 hours. Juice it, roast it, or eat it pickled, which is very, very desi of you. 1 small beet a day or half a glass of juice. That's all you need. And number 5, the one I promised is in your fridge, Dahi, plain yogurt. Just 2 servings a day was shown to cut high blood pressure risk by 30%. Full fat, plain or Greek yogurt, not the sugary flavored kind. Make raita, a low sugar lassi, or eat it with fruit. Dahi is literally ancient medicine. Quick recap: garlic, pomegranate, spinach, beets, yogurt. 5 ingredients, available at any Indian grocery or Walmart. No prescriptions required.